This is another model sa Batulao editions. So this is Charles. It is also a single detached house and lot. It has a floor area of 70 square meter and typical lot area is 99 square meter. Pero pwede pa rin siyang mas lumaki. Depende dun sa available or location. So as you can see, it has a gate already. Kasama na yung gate and fence sa turnover. This is the specs of Charles. So ito yung deliverable unit. So walang gamit. O kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yan yung mismong turnover unit. So it has a ceramic tiles sa flooring. And then dito merong built-in cabinet na sa taas at sa baba ng lavatory. And yan. Maid's room dito sa baba. And all the way dito sa labas, sa back area, papunta dun sa garage. Very spacious siya. And then there is a toilet and bath dito sa baba. So yan po yung color ng ceramic tiles na included dun sa deliverable unit. Pati may shower na po siya, may sink na po siya. So complete na siya. Painted white yung wall. So, dito naman may high ceiling si Charles. Ayan yung another toilet and bath. So, parehas lang din siya po ng itsura dun sa baba except for the shower. Wala na po siyang shower. And then, this is the bedroom 1. And this is the bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. So Charles has a 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath with the floor area of 70 square meter.